Earn money, extra work and extra income. How to make money online in India today? He made 50,000 rupees in 3 days. The most popular ways make in a month 2020 over the Facebook's jekzrburge says Mark working at home dream for many people's even better you can make with your phone now. With just 100 rupees can you earn at least 3000 to 5000 rupees in a day. Spend 10 minutes learning every day and make money in half an hour. uh, you goes to with the screen and shots enjoys and with proof early shot snapshots and with 5500 every photo saves and how to learn more this every people's and every days and every half an hour 10 minutes spend your or times you have to make a full chance these people of an heavy office working in Mumbai's one another ordinary Indian businessman. You have to more subscriber and follow with that.